In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the desktop icons without deleting them. It's pretty quick and simple. So let's jump right in. So as you can see, we have a lot of icons, and due to whatever reason you want to hide it or you want to remove it from desktop, what you can do is, let's say you want to hide all of them or you want to get rid of all of them. What you do is just right click on anywhere in the blank area of the desktop and click on view, and from here we will choose this option that says show desktop icons. We'll just uncheck that and immediately all your icons are gone. If you want to see them back, you click on view and enable the same option, show desktop icons, and all of them will come back. Now if you want to hide a specific application icon, what you do is, let's say I want to hide this one, Roblox Studio. We just right click on this and go to the properties and choose general, and under the general tab we will choose hidden. Click on apply and OK. And now whatever you have hidden as a separate icon, if you want to see them back, what you can do is just head over to the file explorer, choose desktop, and from here you can click on view, click on show, and you click on show hidden items, and then it will appear again here like this. So that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.